What's up, guys? It's April 3rd, 2024. Looks like Bulls tried to get the breakout and it ended up being a range day. Bears got the reversal. Or, yeah, I mean, that is kind of a reversal. So, I didn't trade today. Gap down. No continuation. Oh, wait, why did I turn that? So, gap down. Bar one, no continuation for the Bears. Bar two is follow through for bar one for the Bulls. Bar three looks like a pullback, and bar four is a pull bar. So, that's just, I'm looking at this as a either we're trading at the high of a range or it could be a bull flag. Bar five looks like it's trying to break out above bar four, but it doesn't. It doesn't close above the wick. It closes above the EMA. Bar six is a bear bar, but it closed. It sold off and came back up here, so it has like bullish pressure. And bar seven was a huge breakout bar, breaking past all of the previous bars range. That's a pretty strong bar. No follow through, but if we think about the blue book, um, Al says that sometimes big bars will have a opposite bar right away instead of having follow through. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a reversal. It just this is actually a really big bar with no follow through, so could be profit taking first pullback, channel phase, market channels after the first pullback channel, and it goes in range bound. And bar 30 tests around bar 8 here and here. Bar 38 is a better test of bar 8's low. Go real quick, go back here. So yeah, we're selling about. I'm excuse me. I'm stuttering. Breakout, pullback channel, leg one, pullback. So leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three, pullback. So yeah, it starts to fade around here. There's a micro double top. Looks like it's resistance. Bulls are failing to get the measured move breakout. I think this bar is also somewhat climactic. It is strong and it did go for a leg or two higher, but it's pretty big as well. Bears sell off into the EMA. On a strong bull trend, usually the first touch of the EMA is a good buy. We weren't trading above the EMA for over 2 hours, so the characteristic for that. And it breaks below the EMA and bounces off the higher time. Okay. Bulls get a leg up into the previous range. They fail around bar 27, 28's high. And Bears get a sell. Bar 38 sells right off into bar 8's low. And the market has a bull trend. And it starts to, when the market is trending in one direction and it starts to reverse, the targets will become the previous failed reversals. So this is a failed reversal, right? So that's the first target for the Bears, and that was met here. Now Bulls are buying the range lows. This bar probably happened a little bit too fast, so Bears are taking profits and Bulls are buying lows. Testing the breakout point right here. Here. That was bad. Bar 39. Like Bulls are going for a reversal. They start to stall at the EMA and we enter a TTR for about an hour. Really hard to trade. It's better to just sit out. Lots of overlap. Not really any trending bars. Bulls are buying the EMA, but it's not really going anywhere. Bears are shorting bar 38 high. And then eventually Bears start to get the breakout. The bars still have a bit of overlap, lots of wicks. This is somewhat of a bear flag right here. It's a fractal bear flag, and it breaks out to the EMA, and then they get another leg down. It eventually becomes a nice sell vacuum with bar 69 and 70. Pull back, bar 60, bar 71 is an inside bar, high, low, inside, and bar 72 looks like it's a double bottom. Bulls get the reversal back into the EMA. Pretty good day. I think it's also really easy to lose money right here. I mean, if you caught this, great, and then you kind of go sideways. If you caught, like, by the time you're ready to buy here, sell here, the move's already reversing. If you sell that, okay, you caught a little bit. This isn't too bad, but yeah, I was on the sidelines today. Leg one, leg two moves. There we go. Leg one, leg two moves. Kind of like a double top. So there's a breakout. We can go for a breakout. And that's 2 hours met. It looks like almost 3 hours was met. I don't think it was, but it looks like it is. Yeah, no, it wasn't. But what if we are less generous? We do body to body. Here, here. It's still not met. That is deceiving. It's still not met. So yeah, 2 hours met, and then it fails around 3 hour of the morning, the 6 bar range. About 33 points. So they get the breakout, and then bulls get a leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Asymmetrical, so the market could be ranging. But when the bears get right here, the market goes range bound. Leg one, pull back leg two. Really hard to trade that second leg because it just happened. Top here. Here, that was met. Top of the pullback, that's also met. R32 is a transition, so this is the end of this bear channel. It's the start of this bull channel. R37 is the end of this bull channel. It's the start of this bear channel. So the market's transitioning. So the same bar is stopping and starting. Stopping the bull trend, starting the bear. Stopping the bull trend, starting the bear trend. You see 2 bar. Yeah, it's always in transition. Where are we in the market cycle? So today's market cycle was like we had a range, breakout, pullback, channel phase. Then we go channel for a couple legs. Leg one maybe, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, and it fails. Leg three, fours, fives are typically a better fade as it's a small pullback bull trend day. Leg one, pull back leg two. Here are some micro legs as well. Hard to measure. Actually, I think that's better breakout from here. It is breaking out above the EMA. And that was meant. Let's measure this bear stuff here. Today is more like, I think, better for breakouts because of the way they were happening. There weren't really pullbacks. 2 hours met from this to the top of this bear leg to the bottom of this. We just go body to body. It was definitely met. Bouncing off the morning R1's low. R70's testing the open of the day. I've got the hiccups today, so I apologize. I'm trying to keep it quiet. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's a pretty big leg. It was not met late in the day. You could start going for 1-to-1 when it becomes about the close rally. And one's met. 1-to-1 is met. This doji is a pullback. It's a fractal pullback. That's also met. So there's multiple ways to have traded that. It was hard to do leg one, leg two moves today because of the way the market was like vacuum into resistance, vacuum into support, vacuum into support, vacuum into the EMA. So I think the breakouts were a little bit better. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing all right. I'm definitely ready to get back in the markets. I'm trying my best not to focus on this payout, but I want the payout. I hope you guys are doing good and studying and using your stop loss. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you for commenting and always talking to me. Have a good night, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.